Here we will write a program to find area and perimeter of circle and rectangle using abstract class and abstract method. So first in comment line we will write, since we are going to use abstract class and abstract method, first we will import the ABC module. So from ABC, import ABC and abstract method. Then we will define class calculate, which will inherit the class ABC. Here we are going to define the abstract methods. So first we will declare abstract method decorative and we will define method area. Since the method is abstract, we are not going to write any code, so we will write pass statement. Then we will define another method perimeter as abstract. So for this also we will declare abstract method decorative and we will define method perimeter. Here also we use pass statement since the method is abstract. Then we will define class circle, which inherits the class calculate. The formula for calculating area of circle is pi r square, that is 3.14 into radius square, and formula for calculating perimeter is 2 pi r, that is 2 into 3.14 into radius. So we will define constructor with one parameter and we will assign self dot radius equal to radius. Then we declare method area, which is abstract method. So here we will return the value 3.14 into self dot radius square. Then we will define another method perimeter, which will return 2 pi r, that is 2 into 3.14 into self dot radius. Then we will define another class rectangle, which also inherit the class calculate. The formula for calculating area of rectangle is length into width, and formula for calculating perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus width. So we will define constructor with two parameters, length and width, and we will assign self dot length equal to length and self dot width equal to width. Then we will implement abstract methods area and perimeter. So def area, which will return self dot length into self dot width, and we will implement another method perimeter, which return 2 into self dot length plus self dot width. First we will accept radius of a circle from the user. So r equal to int input enter radius of circle, and we will create object for the class circle. So c equal to circle, and we will pass r as a parameter, and we will print area and perimeter of circle. So print area of circle, and for this we will call c dot area. Then we will print perimeter of circle, c dot perimeter. Then we will accept length and width of rectangle from the user. So L equal to int input enter length of rectangle, and in W we will accept width of rectangle. So W equal to int input enter width of rectangle. Then we will create object for rectangle class, and we will pass L and W as a parameter, and we will print area of rectangle as rectangle dot area and perimeter of rectangle as rectangle dot perimeter, and we execute this. I will give radius of circle as 5. It will print area of circle as 78.5 and perimeter of circle as 31.40, and I will give length of rectangle as 5, width of rectangle as 7. It will print area of rectangle as 35 and perimeter of rectangle as 24. Here first we have defined the class calculate, which is abstract class, and inside this class we have defined two methods area and perimeter, and inside this class we have defined two abstract methods area and perimeter. Then first we have defined the class circle, which inherits the class calculate and implements the methods area and perimeter from the abstract class, and then we have defined another class rectangle, which also inherits calculate class, and inside the rectangle class we have implemented two abstract methods area and perimeter from the class calculate.